Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of glitch we click on settings. Glitch on Temu app, you click on settings, here we go to apps. Default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Temu app and you click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search here about the application of Temu, and then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.